Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is what is an affirmation and different types of affirmations. So, those who are watching me first time, let me introduce myself. Myself, Usha Mahale Pomble, and I'm a law of attraction coach and a Ho'oponopono healer. So, let's start our today's topic. So, what is an affirmation? Affirmation can be any statement, and these statements can be negative or the positive. And as words is having an energy, so both affirmations are going to affect on our body, whether it's a positive or a negative. So that means the positive statements are going to become your reality, as well as if you are going to make the negative affirmations, that is also going to become your reality. Now it's our choice whether to practice the positive affirmations or the negative affirmations, isn't it? So obviously, everybody wants to practice the positive affirmations, right? Now, why you have to practice these positive affirmations? Since our childhood, as well as from our subconscious mind, the old memories which comes in our way, and due to that, we send some signals or send some vibes to the universe. And as per that, we attract the things in our life. So that's why affirmations play a very important role. So what are the types of an affirmations? There are three types of the affirmation. First is maintenance frequency affirmation. Second is goal frequency affirmation. And the third is the action frequency affirmation. So I'll explain you each one of them one by one. So what is the maintenance frequency affirmation? See, whatever you have today in your life, you should be grateful for that things. You have to maintain that as well. Because if you are asking something in your life, that means you are not grateful for the things which you have. And the universe will say that if he or she is not grateful for the things which he or she is having, how can he or she ask for the new things? Yes. So first of all, you have to make the maintenance frequency affirmations. That means you have to show the gratitude towards the things which are already there in your life. It may be your health, it may be your relationships, it may be your career, or it may be your money status. Next is your goal frequency. So always make an affirmation of your goal frequency and make it in a present tense. So when you are going to make an affirmation, that time you have to make the affirmation of your goal which you want to attract in your life or which you want in your life. And the third type of the affirmation is the action frequency. As you have written your goal frequency affirmation, also you have to mention to the universe that this is the type of the action which I am going to take to reach to my goal, so that universe will understand it and you will get closer to your goal. So this is how the three types of the affirmations. So first is your maintenance frequency affirmation, second is your goal frequency affirmation, and third one is your action frequency affirmation. Now your task is, whatever is the goal you have, first set the goal, and in the next video I'll tell you what are the rules for making an affirmation. So till that time, you just set your goal and then find out your maintenance frequency affirmation. So these two things you can do till my next video. Thank you so much for watching me. Love you all. Bye-bye. Take care.